Good morning, everybody. This is Linda. I hope you're having a beautiful morning. Let's see, today is Thursday. It's 5:11, y'all. It's 5:11. Ooh, it's 5:11. So today, that is exactly what I will be doing. I will be giving my plants all super juice. 5:11. Yes. This is amazing because I'm trying to think of one year I was on a live and Led came in the live and Led said, "Wait a minute, today is 5:11." I thought that was so cool. But anyway, guys, I hope everything is going well with you all. I'm sitting here in my awesome Back to Our Roots shirt. Yeah, yeah. But today, I want to bring you all a video on what you can be dropping in the month of May. Yeah, what seeds you still can drop in the month of May and still get a great harvest. All right, so let's get on with the video. Yeah, on this 5:11. Yeah. All right, family. So I'm going to harvest some of these cucumbers while I share with you what seeds you can drop in the month of May. Okay? So we're gonna get this cucumber back here if I could reach her. So the first vegetables I would like to mention is, oh, wait a minute here, y'all. Oh, there it is. Oh, there it is. Herbs. Herbs. Any herbs you like. Any herbs you like. I'm going to get this, my Dollar Tree tower that I have, and I'm going to put it all together, and I'm going to drop many herbs that I use in my cooking in my house. So let me run through some of them, like parsley, dill, even you can drop your mullein, whatever herbs that you like, that you make teas with, that you cook with, you can drop these seeds. And I'm talking about dropping seeds in the month of May, right? So we know that the starter plants in these stores are very expensive. So I am not talking about plants. I'm talking about seeds. Drop your seeds. Any herb you like, drop your seeds. And I would suggest you put them in individual pots. And you can definitely put these pots all around your garden because they can do more than just grow for you to have extra herbs. They could be protecting your vegetables from pest pressure, right? So drop your herbs, whatever herbs you like, you can drop it. Also, squashes, any kind of squash you like. Butternut, spaghetti squash, and all of these vegetables and fruits I'm sharing with you today, it is seeds. Dropping seeds. You still have time to get a great harvest. And let me share this. Let me just share what I do. So this is a container of mint. I have mints of all kinds in here. Even have some of it going to seed. You see there? I have mints of all kinds. So what I do, once a month I come out and I harvest a nice handful of this mint. Yeah. I have lemon balm over here. Lots of lemon balm over here. Yeah. Here is some lemon balm here. I have mint growing here. She's in one of the cells of one of my little Katrina brick beds. Yeah. Here is mint here. She's in another Katrina brick bed with the corn. She's here. This is thyme, lemon thyme. And this is something else I do with all of these herbs. I have parsley here and mint too. Yeah. Here is parsley here. Well, this is more parsley and celery here. So I have them growing all over in different spots in my garden, right? But what I do is once a month I come out and get a nice handful, sometimes two, depending on the size of that herb. I bring it in, I wash it, I dry it, I pat it dry, and then I put it in Dollar Tree brown paper bags. Now, if you never know, Dollar Tree have some brown paper bags. You get 40 in a pack, 40 brown paper bags in a pack. Take those brown paper bags and put each one of your herbs in that bag after you have cleaned it and dried it, and just sit it somewhere in a cool place. They will dry, and then you put them in your container, wherever you're going to store them. This is where you use them every day, right? So this is how I continuously have all of these herbs that I love and I cook with on a daily. Now, I just watered everything, but if you have not dropped your sweet potato slips, drop them. Drop your sweet potato slips. It's not too late. It's not too late. So this is the way my sweet potatoes looked earlier this morning. Yeah, I love those flowers, y'all. Also, you can plant from seeds all of your melons, right? Your cantaloupes, melons, all of those things that is sweet, all of your squashes, come on, get them all in. You can drop all of these things in the beds, in the pots, in your containers, whatever you're planting in, from seed, and still have an amazing harvest. See, May is that time where you have time to drop your seeds and still get a great harvest, family. So if you like melons, now listen, many vegetables are called by different names. It all depends on what part of the world you are in. So here in New Orleans, a melon to me is a chayote, maybe to you, right? I did not know that the world called this vegetable that I have called all my life a melon, and the world called it chayote, right? But you live and learn, baby. You live and you learn. If you want to drop white potatoes, maybe you have already grown white potatoes, and maybe you want more. It is not too late. Drop you some more white potatoes. It's all right, baby. It's all right. Drop you some white potatoes. You're going to get a nice harvest of white potatoes. Yay. Yeah. So all of the vegetables that I'm speaking of that you could drop in May, you can drop from seed, family, seed. So if you want some greens, any kind of green vegetables, maybe you want some spinach. Spinach will do well, right? So get you some New Zealand spinach. She will do well. Egyptian spinach. She will do well in this heat. Now, y'all, it's hard for me to even say this, but Malabar spinach. Go on, get your Malabar spinach, y'all. If you love Malabar spinach, go ahead on and grow your Malabar spinach. But y'all keep that thing over there, all right? Keep it over there. But Malabar spinach do not mind the heat. No, she don't. So, also, Swiss chard. Swiss chard. Swiss chard will do well in the heat. Yeah, it will do well. So, if you want some greens, go ahead on and do that. Also, what I realize is that the dark, thick leaves green, like collard greens. If you want some collard greens, drop your collard greens in a container and put her in the shade family, in the shade. So maybe you want to grow some peanuts. Yeah, you could grow peanuts. Drop your peanuts now. They will do well. Grow your peanuts, right? Also, family, you can also drop your loofahs. Drop your loofahs. If you want to grow loofahs, hey, get that loofah going. Get that loofah going. Yeah, she will do well. I don't remember if I said beans. Now, I'm talking about bush beans, pole beans, sweet peas, beans, y'all. You want beans? Direct sow those beans. Direct sow your beans. They will do well. Yeah, starting them in the month of May. Start your beans, baby. So I hope this will help someone. Maybe it's a reminder of something you wanted to plant, but you forgot to plant. Well, now you could go ahead on and direct sow whatever you need. Direct sow it, and you will be fine, right? But listen, guys, in the next video, I am going to be sharing with you all the making of onion powder in my kitchen from my onions that I grew. Yes, I'm going to share it with you. I hope you all have a wonderful day. I hope to see you on Sunday Night Live. Mother's Day is Sunday. So I want to say happy Mother's Day to all of the mothers. And I hope to see you in the live. We will be celebrating mothers, family. Mothers. It's going to be exciting. But anyway, family, I hope to see you then. And I hope you have a wonderful day. Later, y'all. Yeah, that is pineapple sage. Pineapple sage. Yeah.